corner here.
Where are we heading?
So we've taken the bus, we've taken the train, and now
Well, now we're taking a car, basically.
we're planning to go to Kraków, Zakopane,
Sure.
and Zawoja.
Yes. And
Bielsko-Białe.
Bielsko-Biała.
Close enough.
Sure.
Short break after what?
Just
over 2 hours and a half driving,
yeah, pretty much.
and 2.5 more hours.
About 2 hours by now, I think so. Yeah.
We missed
Especially with the traffic.
We missed a couple of good stops. So.
Oh, we missed one before that was nicer. It was like a little bit trees and things. It was a little bit nicer, but this will do.
So this one is just porta potty in middle of kind of like.
It's a parking lot.
Yeah.
So literally, you just stop, stretch your legs a bit, smoke a cigarette.
Smoking cigarettes.
Empty your bladder if you need to.
Temperature's not too bad, 28.
It's almost 30,
degrees
yeah.
Celsius. But the road is about 50.
Yeah, it's pretty sunny, but it's kind of dirty.
And it's a fun drive. You can go a little bit faster here.
120.
120-ish. Well, that's
120.
the posted limit. So
Yes, 120 is the posted limit on
a
highways.
little bit more. And then that slowed down to 100, and we're like, why are we going so slow?
Because it was up the hills and up the hill, and that didn't add gas, so the car naturally slowed down a bit. It's like, why so slow?
Yeah, it feels like we're crawling down or something, but
It was still 100.
It's funny, all relative, right? We'll continue on our journey. Fifth. Hey, let's go. got second bedroom. Got the washroom. Isn't nice. And here's the common room. A little place to eat here. Got the kitchenette. And I guess that's the fridge. And we got a little view here. So here we reach the circle market. This is the main square for the Jewish quarter, which has all this market stall, which all of them are closed on Monday. Apparently museum is also closed on Monday. And this where they have the zapiekanki. Zapiekanki?
Zapiekanki. That's plural.
So I am absolutely gonna try. Which one? I don't know. Are they all the same or are they all different?
Looks like they are three different countries.
But they all make the same thing?
And a fifth. There's, I guess, and a sixth, and a seventh.
Yes, whichever is available. Okay, which one do you think I should try? Too many to choose from.
Za dużo zapiekanek do spróbowania.
Tak?
Jakby wszystkie wziął po kolei.
Nie no, Be.
Will we try this place?
Cheese, mushroom, green onions, village sausage or so.
Sure, let's try that one.
So what do you want? This one?
So which one do we get?
Wiejska.
Which
I guess you would call it village. So with smoked sausage, with pickled cucumber, some fried shallots, mushrooms, and must have cheese. And we've got the barbecue sauce.
Oh, let's try it out. A lot of cheese.
Yes.
Like pizza. I am
A mess.
You're the expert. You've eaten
Of
this
what?
before.
No.
No?
No.
So it's
Only
not
at
a
home.
traditional at home. And different toppings, of course.
Well, yeah, whatever you would want to have on your own.
It's basically just toasted open face sandwich. Main thing is the cheese and the mushroom. Like pizza.
It's a baguette. Toasted baguette. There you go. Regional, if you will.
Okay, that was good, but very messy.
Extremely.
So if you are eating that here, make sure you have extra napkin, wet naps, especially the sauce that is gonna be drizzle on top of it. It's gonna be all over you, all over your face, it'll be all over your shirt too. Delicious, I like it. Something
fine.
that I can eat every day. Nah, it's a nice snack. By the way, that was one order, the one we have. They just cut it into two, so it's a big portion. That one was 14 zloty, starting with 9 zloty for the main plain one. So they have like all this little rocket. I don't know if there's any difference. I think it's all come from the same source. This looks like that. There you go. Beer garden. Bigger than I remembered for some reason.
I think there were probably more tables and chairs and umbrellas and things placed around here, and or more people.
Okay, let's do a lesson on the pronunciation of the town. The way it's spelled is Krakow. Even though there is the English translation of it, they just replaced it with a C. So it's really like a cracking cow or something.
Cracking
so
cow.
That's what everybody said.
Krakow. Krakow.
Krakow.
But the real pronunciation is
Kraków.
Krakow.
Sure.
It's not Krakow, it's Krakow. Instead of W at the end, it sounds more like an F.
Sure.
Like, oof, you just
Somebody
just
hit
got-
you in
yeah,
the gut.
Oof.
Yes.
So we've been walking around the square just trying to find something to eat. We went to a rib place, Rib on Fire. The problem is their machine broken. So
Yeah, their terminal was broken, so they only accepted cash.
at least they let you know before you order.
Yeah.
So we're looking around trying to find if there's anything interesting. There's Polish traditional. There's a lot of steak places. I don't know how good the steaks are in here. Other than ribs, I think I'm looking at pork knuckles. So we found one place. We will come back there, but we'll just do one round right now to see if there's anything else that would catch our eyes, or at least my eyes. Kate would just go with anything. Almost. So other than eating dinner. I think I want ice cream. I keep on saying ice cream, please.
And then when we want some ice cream, it's gonna close next. We can find one.
I hope not. Thing is, it's real ice cream.
Yeah, you'll have problems.
A couple of times I ate ice cream. I enjoyed it, but I had to pay for it. So we picked one of the place here in the main square. They serve the pork knuckle, so we're gonna try that. Kate is having the burger, so we'll see. Not the cheapest.
Well, it is what it is in the place that it is.
I mean, it's right in the main square.
Yeah.
Didn't order pierogi.
No, what they have is not what I'd like. They have the Russian pierogies.
Oh, the Ruski
Yes.
one. So
And I'm not
it's mashed
the biggest-
potato with white cheese.
I'm not the biggest fan of it to start with. It's okay, but I don't like it's not something that I would crave. So
Cheers. That's the pork knuckle. Comes with potatoes this time. It looks like nicely fried. Kid would love that.
sauerkraut
Sauerkraut.
and some sides of mustard and I think horseradish.
So what do Polish eat when in Poland?
Burgers, a bit.
Burger, pasta, pizza, all those kind of stuff. So if you want to eat like local, you order burger.
No, you don't.
If you want to eat like tourists, then you eat Polish traditional food. Falling apart. The one in Wrocław is actually good.
Yeah.
It's okay. Just had our dinner.
We did.
Well, it's a little disappointing.
It was. Second time eating in this square and the second time kind of disappointing. So, not doing it again, I think.
Yeah, we're gonna find places to eat actually outside of this main square.
Yeah.
They're really in it for the locations and so on, more than the flavor. It was, I guess, the burger. I took a bite, didn't like it at all. Very dry, no flavor. The pork knuckle, it wasn't as flavorful either. So, well, at least we can eat it in the main square and enjoy the
Lesson learned.
We're still limited, so
Yeah.
we'll do more of the walk tomorrow. Hopefully the weather is nicer, and that way we can evaluate
Better.
the area a little bit better. Yeah. It's a lot of cheese.
Yes.
How hot is it going to be?
It's pretty warm, so careful. Because hot cheese. Oh, we know who's gonna have that cheese.
Of course, it has to drip on.
Alex.
Oh, okay. I'm a messy eater.